Hello guys, today we're going to learn about logical operators in Python. So for example, age equals 20, has underscore tickets equals false actually, has underscore VIP pass equals true, and is underscore rainy false. Okay, so now print a age is greater than 18 and has underscore tickets e. So now what and is it's a logical operator. So if the age is greater than 18, which is and has tickets, but as you can see there are no tickets, so this should be false, and as you can see it prints false. The next is print has underscore tickets or has underscore VIP underscore pass PAS. So now what this will do is has tickets or VIP pass. Now it doesn't have the tickets, but it does have the VIP pass. So this should print true. And as you can see, it prints true. And the final is print not is underscore rainy. So now right now is rainy is false, so it will print false, but not, so it will print the opposite of it. And as you can see, it prints true. Bye.